Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Intan Bonita Lumban Gaul. It's an honor to have the opportunity to address such a wonderful audience. Thank you for LICM 22 for the opportunity given to me to present the result of my research titles, Development of Interaction Scenario of Transportation System and Land Use with the Development of West Java International Airport Utilization with a System Dynamics Approach. The airport began operating on June 2018 and stopped operating in 2020 until now. The airport is lack of passenger caused by the amount of travel time and total travel cost, limited transportation to BIJB, and also development of the area around Majalengka is still limited. Therefore, I did this research that is by developing BIJB model for optimization international airport to understand and accurate effort to do so that BIJB Kertajati can grow, develop, and sustainable. So the research question is, how is the development of the utilization of BIJB Kertajati related to the interaction of the transportation system and land use? To understand the research question, we need to know the definition of regional development in land use. Based on the literature, the regional development is an effort to develop the regional that consists of various aspects such as physical, economic, social, cultural. Another aspect is administrative and functional. We know that all the aspects have a interdependent. So, we can see that regional development is rich in interdependence and trade-off. BIJB is located in Majalengka Regency, and now the terminal capacity about 5.6 million pax per year, or 15,000 people per day. And to make BIJB can continue to operating because there are still maintenance costs of 6 billion each month. Then the temporary use the BIJB Kertajati is cargo flight and airport function development as MRO. The following is the regional development plans and transportation system for the West Java regional based on the RT-RW, where the regional development focus on the building a Rebana Metropolitan, namely the development on industry-based area supported by the construction of a transportation system such as the construction of toll routes, railway lines, and other, where with the construction of the regional development and system transportation system, it will increase the demand for passenger and cargo travel. But in reality, there are still many programs that have not been implemented. We can see that many are still red. Therefore, waiting for the red ones, we will try to make a scenario to optimize the utilization of BIJB Kertajati. Based on the phenomenon I have said before, that interaction of Rebana Metropolitan and the development of the West Java transportation system, which is rich in interrelationship between elements and feedback. It's expected to increase passenger demand and utilization of BIJB Kertajati. Therefore, a suitable model to simulate this phenomenon is the BIJB model for optimization international airport with a system dynamics approach. In my research, area that have the potential to support BIJB Kertajati utilization are the Rebana Metropolitan area and 50 km radius convergence area consisting of 7 districts. The research limit and assumption that I used in the research are: the model simulation time range from 2010 until 2050. The scenario simulation time range from 2044 until 2050. And then BIJB Kertajati will be operating again in 2024. And the scope of the research focus on passenger travel demand and cargo travel demand. And other modes on transportation outside BIJB Kertajati are competitors. And the last, the term of airport corridor in model means all building, airport facility, and any other supporting facility in BIJB that are used to serve passenger. The following is a complete system dynamics modeling stage. After making the problem definition, now we go to the conceptual model stage, which consists of the hypothesis, global model, and causal loop diagram of BIJB model for optimization international airport, or Bonita model. The hypothesis of the research are Rebana Metropolitan will raise the demand of the passenger to travel and increase the role and utilization of BIJB Kertajati. Increase of the BIJB Kertajati will contribute to the growth of the Rebana metropolitan area. The following is the Bonita models globally are the current BIJB policy with the regional policy does not seem to be in line. We can see from what I have explained before that there are still many programs that have not been implemented. If the Rebana policy has been carried on, which means the development of the industry-based Rebana area is growing, it will increase passenger and cargo demands, which will make BIJB increase and be more useful. With BIJB increase, regional development will also increase as a result of increasing airport utilization. The development of the area is indicated whether or not the indicators are GRDP, GRDP per capita, and GRDP export, while the BIJB airport indicators are seen from the number of passenger and cargo, airport utilization, and airport capacity. Therefore, in the study, I try to see how regional development that is integrated with the transportation system will increase the demand of passenger and cargo at BIJB Kertajati. From the global model, we can see the causal loop diagram where the interaction between development of Rebana and the transportation system can increase the potential for travel using BIJB Kertajati. We can see the blue loop explain that the increase in industry GRDP. It will increase the number of export, which will increase the potential for cargo travel using BIJB, namely number of cargo shipping through BIJB. And then we can see the green loop explain that with an increase in GRDP per capita in the Rebana area, it will increase the potential for passenger travel using BIJB, namely number of passenger through BIJB. The increase in the number of cargo shipping through BIJB and the number of passenger travel to BIJB increase to number of demand through BIJB. The total number of demand through BIJB increase means that BIJB is no longer empty, meaning that the airport is useful. With the increase in total number of demand through BIJB, this will also increase the utilization of the airport. Increased utilization will increase regional development, which can be seen from the increase in this GRDP per capita. Okay, the blue loops I names Rebana development loop, and the red one is the BIJB development loops. So, if we look at one by one, An increase in GRDP per capita will increase the potential number of people who want to travel and to hire the distance traveler. So the richer person is, the more the potential number for traveling and the farther the distance. Just like the passenger demand submodels, an increase in average export will also increase the potential number of cargo demands. Furthermore, indicated travel demand and indicated cargo demands are input to submodels, transportation and land use interactions for passengers and cargo. This model will produce number of passenger travel through BIJB and number of cargo shipping through BIJB. In this model, we can also see that BIJB cargo and passenger attractiveness has an effect on increasing BIJB demands. In the same, before this model is used, it is necessary to validate it. Here we can see that the population, GRDP, industry, and export behavior are proven to be able to imitate historical data. Then the Bonita model can be used for scenario analysis if increasing passenger and cargo demand and BIJB Kertajati utilization. There are 4 scenarios that I made by looking at the sequence of events. What if the Rebana Industry Development Program and the transportation system grew in 2024 to 2050 with 4 types of scenarios, namely business as usual or BAU, pessimist, moderate, and optimist. The BAU scenario is a scenario where the Rebana development and transportation system grow and develops in the same way as the current condition, or the growth is constant as it is today. The pessimist scenario is a sequence of events where the yellow transportation infrastructure developments has been built and Rebana has been built 20% of the current condition. And then moderator scenarios is a sequence of events where some of the red transportation infrastructure developments have been built and Rebana has grown to 50% of the current Cikarang area. And the last, the optimist scenario is a sequence of events where the transportation program is almost complete and Rebana developed like the Cikarang region in 2020 and the German Leipzig industry sector in 2017. So, from the result of the scenario simulation on the Bonita models of 4 scenarios, it shows that the number of passengers and cargo forecasting increased from 2024 to 2050. This shows that the increase in passenger and cargo demands is in the accordance with the increase in regional development through transportation interaction and land use. According to the simulation results of the pessimist, moderate, and optimist scenarios, it is necessary to increase cargo capacity at BIJB Kertajati in accordance with passenger and cargo forecasting generated by the Bonita models. From the BAU scenario results, it showed that the rate of the Rebana metropolitan development and transportation system only increased the utilization of BJB and does not require development. Different from the pessimist, moderate, and optimist scenarios, which require investment in the development and maintenance of BJB Kertajati. This means that BJB needs to prepare a sufficient budget at their respective times. As in the pessimist scenario, the airport development budget is required in 2041. So, from the result of the research that I have made, it can be concluded: 1. The Bonita models aim to increase the utilization of BIJB Kertajati's utilizations as proven by the assumption that the budgets required to investment in capacity building and airport maintenance is always available according to the estimate capacity needs. 2. Conversion of passenger airport capacity into cargo airport capacity is assumed to be equal to the capacity to Boeing 737-400. 3. Based on the simulation scenario using the Bonita models, it is proven that the development of the utilization of the BIJB Kertajati is closely related with the interaction of transportation system and land use. Number 4, the development of the area around BIJB Kertajati will increase the needs for passenger and cargo demand, which will increase the role and utilization of BIJB Kertajati. 5. The increase in the utilization of BIJB Kertajati will further increase the development of the Rebana metropolitan area. And the last, if the result of the BAU, moderate, pessimist, and optimist scenarios show that the cargo utility of BIJB Kertajati in 2050 reaches more than 0.9, then BIJB Kertajati can be developed into a cargo airport. Okay, that's all about my presentation this afternoon. Hopefully, this research may give a good impact for all the listener, and I do apologize if I did mistake during delivered my presentation. Thank you.